We're back with another video, but look what is in my yard. Yeah, I see it says something in its mouth. I never seen that type of bird. I never seen that bird. What about Killian Kane? He's trying to catch something. He's trying to be as quiet as possible for YouTube. Pretty far away. Pretty far away. I've never seen that bird. I was here checking on my flowers, and my mom said to look behind me, and it's right there. See that? I'm building a wall from the hunting ground. But I never seen that bird. I don't know what that bird is. I don't know if it's dangerous or hostile. I don't know what that bird is. Never seen it. I don't know anything about its nature. I never seen that bird. I never seen that bird in my yard, and we've been living here for 3 years. I never seen. Is that looking at me? Is that looking at me? Oh, it's not looking at me. Hold on, let me pause it. I don't know why I paused it. But Daddy, I never seen that bird ever, and we lived here for like 3 years. I never seen that bird. And they've been outside 1,000 times. I never seen it, and we've been in the cold weather 6 times a year. Okay, I'm trying to get as close as possible for the content. I think it's catching some crawfish. There's some other birds, but they're not that interesting. Okay, I can't catch. They're the birds. But this one, I've never seen this, and I legit never seen this ever in my life. And I lived here for 3 years, and we only get cold weather 3 times a year. Well, not really. Like maybe 5-6 months. But I never seen that bird. Never seen that bird here. They're building a wall from the camping ground from that one video. What is that place? What is this place? But I never seen that bird. They're building a wall, but I'm still freaking out. Never seen that bird. Never seen him ever. Never seen him anywhere. Never seen him at all. Where did he come from? They're chopping down that forest so can't see any more deer. But seriously, I never seen that bird in my life. Wait, where's the bird? There it is. There it is. Trying to get as close as possible without scaring it. Pretty cold out. It either thinks I'm a threat or I'm food. Let me try to get closer. Never seen that bird. Still freaking out. I feel like I've seen that bird, but not in real life. I'm trying to be as quiet as possible. Are you looking for crawfish? Like, it rained a couple of days. I don't know. I don't want to get hurt by anything. I don't want to know if I don't want to get hurt or diseased by a bird. I don't go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go on concrete again. I legit never seen this bird ever, and I've been outside more than 1,000 times. in my life.
What they eating? Crawfish?
I think crawfish. I don't know.
Look, come this way. Creep up behind the tree. Slowly. You gotta be, come here. Okay, look. So right here, go behind the tree, and then.
We're going near the tree. Oh, there's the bird. There's the bird. There's the bird. Let's see how close. I don't know what it's eating. What is it? I'm on a tree. Next to a tree. But I'm near a bird. I've seen a bird. I never seen a bird in our yard ever. Ever. I never seen a bird in my life. I think this is the closest we're gonna get. In real life, it's real close. Oh my gosh. I think this is the end. Maybe, I don't know. Can we get closer? I want to know that we're here. Okay, I think it's eating crawfish. This is the end of the video. Yeah, I'm gone. I don't know anything about that bird, but it's pretty nice. I never seen that bird in my life. Okay, I never seen that bird. Look.
There, go touch it. Look how his head's so still while it's walking.
I know.
Look at that. What the? Also, Kalo.
What?
I stopped the movie because not even 20 minutes in, it's already really, really good. Plot twist happened already. It was like a horror movie. Plot twist happened already. It was crazy. Not even 20 minutes in yet.
McKinley, what do you think it's eating?
You?
What? Wait, is it? Oh, look at its head. Its neck. Look at its neck. Oh, it's flying. It's flying. Dude, it's gone. I'm guessing that's the last time we'll ever see that bird. No, it's not. Where is it?
It's right there coming.
There's the bird. The bird. Oh, it's in the wasteland. It's in that place that they're having construction on. There's the bird. All the way over there.
I can barely see it.
Oh, it's what is it? I can't see it on the camera, but I can see it in real life. Oh, there it is. You can barely see it right about there. Focus camera. So this is the end of the video. I'm just gonna end right here. I don't think we're ever gonna see that bird again, but if we do on the video, bye.